Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to hide photos on Instagram without deleting them. If you want to hide a photo on Instagram, so let's see how we can do this. First, you have to open Instagram app and here go to your profile and then select the photo which you want to hide. As I'm going to select this one, tap on it, then tap on three dots and here tap on archive. Just select it and after that the photo will be removed from your profile. Here you can see that there is not a photo, not have a many option, and here you will get archive selected, and here you can see your archive post photos which you have archived or deleted from your profile. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.